Alright, so in this video, it's basically just going to be me pulling this boat off this trailer and then smashing the boat up. I charged to remove the boat. I charged $200 to remove it. I figured I could make some money off of it. I had a 351 Windsor V8 engine, and it was fuel injected, and it had a Cobra outdrive, so OMC, everything. The boat itself outside was good, but the inside was just trash. The interior was shot, the wood was shot, floor was shot, the stringers was shot, everything was just garbage. So I was like, all right, this boat's just gonna get smashed up. So I pulled the motor, pulled the outdrive, pulled a couple little things here and there, and as you're gonna see, it's gonna get smashed up. I used the U35 in the front to lift it, used the KX057 in the back to lift it, and the SCL 1000 to drag the trailer away. I have in the background, the dump trailer is a 2023 Big Tex 25DU. I just bought it a couple weeks ago. The only thing I don't like about it is it's a little too tall. Diamond C makes it basically the same trailer, except it's got a electronic rolling tarp system, which I wish this one did have, because this trailer's kind of tall to be dragging over the tarp cover, even with the rope. But it's just a little tall for even the KX057. It's a little too tall, so you can't really get up in there and smash stuff down pretty good. So I wish I would have used the Texas Pride triple axle trailer I have. It's a little bit easier with the KX057 to smash stuff into. The dump trailer itself, the Big Tex, it has this bar in the very far back to like stabilize the doors and everything, because it only has 2 latches. But if you take that bar off, it only has the 1 latch, so you can't fill the trailer like super full, otherwise the stuff will get stuck on that stupid bar. So I actually took the bar off, but I might make the bar taller so I can put stuff that's taller in there. But I mainly bought that trailer for trash and maybe dirt. The triple axle Texas Pride I use mainly for concrete and dirt, mainly because the sides are short. The sides are taller for trash and brush and stuff like that for the Big Tex. But I used to cut up boats, and this is a lot better than cutting them up. So let me know what you think about the video. I'm not that great at making videos. Everything's been basically off my phone. I've got a GoPro, I've got the drone. I just haven't uploaded any of that kind of footage yet. I'm not that great at editing and all that stuff. Everything is just when I have the time. And see, this boat, taking it apart, smashing it up, took about 30 minutes with the excavator, and I fast forwarded it to about 19. I'm not sure what you guys think. Is it better to have the whole 30 minutes and just hear the carnage of what's going on, or would you rather have fast forwarded it like this? And I would usually put music in, but I figured I'd talk through this little portion here. Me personally, I don't like the music that people have sometimes. Sometimes it's just annoying. I'd rather just hear nothing sometimes. But everybody's video is different. Everyone makes their videos different, obviously. But in the comment section, if you have time, let me know what you think of the video, what you think can improve. Like I said, I'm not that great at videos, and I do them when I can. The other video I'm going to have next is behind the excavator. You see the RV? I'm going to be smashing that up and getting rid of it. I pulled the refrigerator, pulled the AC unit, pulled the... What else did I pull out of that thing? I think that's it. I think that's all I pulled out to be saved. Everything else got smashed up. There is a 454 with 63,000 miles on it, so I am going to be pulling that out and trying to get it to run. The rest of the RV is just going to get crushed and cut up and taken to the dump in the scrap yard.